This SAT question could be the reason your child isn't hitting their target score. Let's change that today. So something I do for all my students with this particular theme, which is subject-verb agreement, is I provide them with my Triple T document, Tom's testing tips, and walk them through the 3-step process for finding the solution. In addition, I discuss 2 main tips. The first of which is very good to know just for English grammar in general, where the subject and verb are typically separated by a prepositional phrase. And if we can identify the preposition, in this case the word of, then we know that the subject is the word immediately before it. So talents, which is plural and can help us to find the right verb that'll agree with that plural subject. However, I provide an even more valuable tip in which I mention that if one option is different from the other 3, in other words, the only one treating the subject as singular or plural, it's likely the correct answer. So the hack is basically you put the word it or they before each answer option and see which one's different from the others. So you would say it hasn't been, you wouldn't say they hasn't been, it isn't, it wasn't, but in this case, they aren't. So the one that's different from the other 3, option D, ends up being the correct answer.